My veggie spin on a classic paella is simply delicious, and it's a brilliant way to feed your family for under £12 using an abundance of delicious vegetables. To kick off, chop your veg and get it in the pan. Now let's talk about these M&S Plant Kitchen chorizo puppies, the most delicious meat-free alternative. They work perfectly in here. Cook that off for 5 minutes until nice and golden. Now it's time to add our Spanish paella rice. Stir it through so it's coated in all those delicious oils. And then it's in with the stock. Cover loosely and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Now it's in with some delicious peas and M&S Select Farm asparagus. Cook that for a few more minutes and then stir through a little bit of the chopped parsley and we are good to go. This smells amazing and I'm going to keep it authentic. Middle of the table, let everyone dive in. Final finishing touch, some wedges of lemon for squeezing over the top. And there you go, my ultimate veggie paella. Enjoy.